Hello mga silingan! Maayong adlaw! Today, let's talk about something deeply rooted in our Filipino culture. Kanang utang na loob and the expectations of helping others, especially when you're living abroad. As Filipinos, we're raised with strong family values, and helping our loved ones is an act of love and responsibility. But sometimes, this cultural trait can become a heavy burden. Hassle na siya. Especially when you're far from home, labi na karon Christmas, mingmingaw gyud ang tanan. For many Filipinos abroad, there is unspoken pressures to financially support, not just to immediate family, but also extended relatives. Apilon pa tong mga kasilinganan nimo. And if you don't, you're labeled as unreachable or even forgetful. And then may like, ay, lahi na siyang batasan. But let me tell you this. You are not a bad person for setting boundaries. Helping your family is admirable, yes, but it shouldn't come at the expense of your own well being. Sacrificing your mental health, financial stability, or personal goals to meet endless expectations isn't sustainable. We need to shift this mindset that someone's worth is tied to how much they give. Let's normalize open and honest conversations about this. Helping isn't measured by how much you send back. It's about doing what you can without losing yourself. True support also means empowering others to stand on their own instead of creating a cycle of dependence. Nahimo na tong kapwa katong imong gipanghatagan kay wala na siya nagtrabaho, sige na nagtukong dito ah. Paminaw mo. For those back home, reflect this. The family member abroad is not a source of resources. Dili na sila nagkalibang og kwarta. They also have responsibilities. They have dreams. And please value the sacrifice. Appreciate them for more than what they can provide. It's time to redefine this part of our culture. Help when you can, but don't feel guilty for saying no. Remember, love and support are about more than money. They're about understanding and respect. Alright, thank you for listening mga silingan. And don't forget to spread love and kindness. Bye for now. Kay mag-Christmas party pa mi. Mao na to. Just a thought for today. Bye!